Hello everyone, thank you for clicking onto this video. My name is Jewel, but you can call me Juju. In today's video, I will be showing you how I clean and season chicken for cooking, stews, and stuff like that, and also for baking. I have various different ways that I do this, but I wanted to show you this particular way. And for baking chicken, I make my own special seasoning, so you will get to see that. I was going through some old comments and I noticed that people were asking me to show them how I do it. So here is the video. I hope that you will enjoy and leave your thoughts and comments down below. Bye. Enjoy. So I start off by cutting my meat up into the pieces that I would like it to be, whether it's big or small, and I clean my meat. I cannot emphasize enough on how important it is to clean your meat. You wash it, you can use vinegar and limes to clean it, but it is so important because when you cook it, you don't want it to smell rank or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. I'm cleaning my meat and then I let it sit with some limes for a while. This is the chicken. I'm going to be baking some of this. I gotta cut off this. Cut this up a little smaller and season it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to season it. I'm rolling this lime to soften it because I'm going to soak down the meat a little bit more with some lime. So here's the chicken that I cut up, and this is what I'm going to be baking. Well, here's all of the seasonings that are in packets that I have, and these are from Guyana. This is actually from Linden, and if you can't, well, obviously you can't get this, but you can use, if wherever you are you can get this stuff here, you can use that. I got this from a local West Indian store. You can find this in Walmart. And I just poured out all of the seasonings that I will be using. This is a lemon pepper mix that I got from Marshall's, which is right here. Right, this is all my dry seasoning mix. I'm just gonna add that into this. And then I'm going to make a separate, my own type of seasoning mix for the one that I'm gonna bake. Salt. this is how I season chicken for whatever I'm cooking, for stews and stuff like that. This is how I will do it, and then I will put it in the fridge for a good 2 hours. The longer you leave it, the more marinated it becomes and the more tasty it becomes. So that's how I would normally season my chicken. Hope this part was helpful. Here's all the ingredients for my homemade seasoning. I have onion, 6 cloves of garlic, a lemon. I'm not going to be using all of this. Scallions. This is thyme, some sea salt, olive oil, and the remainder of these seasonings that I have left here, I'm gonna add to it, and I might add some of this, and I'll check to see if I have honey, and I might add a teaspoon of honey if I do have it. If not, I'll just add like a teaspoon of sugar. So here's some honey that I will be adding, and that's how I'm gonna blend everything up together. We have this thing here that I will be using. Add my garlic whole, cut up the onion, a teaspoon of olive oil. You can use whatever oil of your choice, but I'm gonna use olive oil. This is the chicken right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the fridge and let this marinate until I'm ready to bake it. So I'm going to try to leave it for about 3 hours and then bake it, or maybe I'll just leave it overnight and bake it in the morning so that the seasoning will soak into it really well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this and you will try this seasoning out. So here's the chicken. How it looked like. It's smelling good. Smelling very real good. So I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. I'm gonna bake it. nice and golden brown there. So I'm gonna put it into the oven for another 10 minutes.